So a little bit of how-to and what's going on here. As I mentioned before, grabbing our master point or anchor point, lowest point here, gives us access to everything else above that. And then also for your personal, I mean, sometimes you might just go right in through because obviously it's pretty bomber, but going in through strands allows you, if there was a failure, to still stay in there. What I got going on here is some time saving. Threw some cloves in up high, and I'm going to tie these ends that I just untied for myself through the rings here, so that once my second gets up here, we can just easily rappel, and I'll already have that wrap set up.